it's your girl Mocahantas, and today I'm going to show you how to make labels from home. So to design them, I'm just going to go to the PicsArt app, and I'm going to start off with a PNG background, go all the way down to the clear backgrounds, and then I'm just going to go to sticker and look for a Powerpuff Girl. That's just the logo I've been putting on my lip glosses or my lip oil. So yes, I'm just going to scroll down and find a cute Powerpuff Girl. Period, boo. And she is so cute. I don't know why I love this one. So I'm just going to go to border and add a border around it. And then I'm just going to go on color select and add the pink that I already add for my business. It's hot pink. Then I'm just going to save that. Once I save that, I'm going to open up the Fonto app. And then I'm just going to click on photo albums and go into a PNG background that I saved. It's just a PNG background by itself. See, it's clear. I'm going to click that. Boom. Then done. And then we're going to go ahead and add text. You can do that just by clicking it. Then I'm going to add BOUJEE lip oil because this is what these labels are for. I'm going to find my good font that I want. Takes me a second.
Oh, hurry up. You knew you was doing a video.
So next we're going to go to symbol, and I'm just going to add a little flower. I don't know why I like it, and we're going to align it center. Then once you do that, you're just going to go in and make the size smaller by clicking on size and pulling it down, making it a little bit smaller. Click on style, and then you're going to go to color, text. I made that black, and then stroke, I made that hot pink. And yeah, I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. I'm just trying to get it to be bigger so you can actually see it on the label. So yes, after that, you're just going to save that as a PNG. Make sure you save it as a PNG. Then we're just going to go to avery.com, avery.com. Then you're going to type in the template for your labels. Whatever your label has on it, it has a number on it. Mine is 6520. Then I click on the clear label. Boom. Then what we're going to do is go in and add our logo, which is the girl, the Powerpuff Girl. So we're going to add her on there. Make her a little bit bigger at the top because, mind you, you have to stay inside these lines. They do not play that. Girl, they worse than Vistaprint with the lines. Okay. So yes, once you do that, and then I'm going to just go in and add my text, which is BOUJEE lip oil. Boom. Then I'm going to go in and make that bigger. Yes, so after that, I'm just going to go ahead and line that up. Just to let you know, to move the Powerpuff Girl again, you have to slide the words all the way down to the bottom. So it's all about playing with it, and that's what I'm going to be doing for a second. So I'll be back, y'all. So yes, after that, I'm going to click on sheet just to see how it looks on the sheets, just to make sure everything is lined up right and everything looks good. Yes, so after that, you're going to click on project. Once you click on project, you're going to have to enter your email, click on print PDF, and it's going to save it. Enter your email and all that other stuff, then click save. Once you save it, it's going to take you to another screen so where you can print it. Boom. You're going to use that box at the bottom with the arrow, and you're going to click on that. Once you click on that, I use HP Smart because that's what I have. So click on print or whatever you use. Click print again, and then boom, there you go, y'all. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below and join the Mocha gang. Okay, bye, y'all.
I'm super duper fly. They should call me Missy, and my boyfriend said he miss me. I'm a boy like a frisbee. These diamonds got me dizzy. With these hoes, I can't get jiggy. I don't beef 'cause I've been